Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own complete the sentences questions to help your students or even yourself prepare for the Duolingo English test. So I've got ChatGPT open here and I'm going to paste a prompt. I'll include this prompt at the bottom in the video description and we'll see how you can use this to create your own complete the sentences question. Complete the sentences, by the way, it's a question on the Duolingo English test, and it's the first part of the interactive reading section. Okay, so I've pasted the prompt, and you can see here I've got some bits with square brackets. So for the square brackets, I'm going to add in my own information. So as you know, the Duolingo English test has different questions at different levels. I'm going to make this one a B1 level in the CEFR, maybe slightly easier than some other questions. And I can choose the topic of my reading passage. I'm going to make this one about big trucks. And we could have a narrative or expository style. I'm going to choose expository, so more fact-based and less like a story. Okay, so we've then got instructions for the AI about what to include. We've got detailed instructions here about which words to make blank. And I've also got an example here. So we're going to click go, and then we're going to look at the example. All right, so you can see here it's very quickly created a question called complete the sentences, and we're just going to take a quick look at this. All right, so let's see, it says big trucks known as lorries are something vehicles designed to transport large something. So what do you think number one is? Could be huge vehicles, big vehicles, could be specialized. Maybe that's a more likely word to include here. They're designed to transport large, loads maybe? Yes, so loads is an option. So I think that would be the word. So it's a good idea whenever you create one of these to go through it yourself, check what you think the answers would be before you scroll down to the bottom and check the actual answers. You can see for the first two there, we got those correct. So that's how you can create your own sample complete the sentences questions in a few seconds using AI.